Our topic for today is about the Bible is the supreme source of light for all truth concerning our salvation. So we finish the why is the Bible supreme source of light for all truth concerning our salvation, and we finish discuss what's the important of the Bible is the supreme source of light for all truth concerning our salvation. So let's go. What the Bible? So ang Bible ay una, ang salita ng Diyos. To gabay sa salvation at tamang pamumuhay. 3. Liwanag sa ating landas. According to 2 Timothy chapter 3 verse 16 to 17. All surprise is God-breathed and is useful for teaching, rebuking, connecting, and training is righteousness, so that the servant of God may be thoroughly equipped for every good work. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all. So our topic for today is about one heart at a time in the Bible. So one heart at a time, brothers and sisters, one heart at a time ay tungkol sa pag-focus sa isang tao, isang bagay ng taimtim. 1 Thessalonians 2 verse 7. But we were gentle among you, like a nursing mother caring for her own children. 2. Pagmamahal at pag-aalaga sa isa't isa. One heart at a time.